Nothing but a snowy place at a snowy time. Hey, Liam! How snowy is it today? Jeez, I almost slipped on ice. Very, very snowy. We're just in the middle of a snowstorm. Standing in the middle. On our way back to our mom's house where we recorded that tag video. And that was like last night, so apparently there was another video I made before this, which was not enough subscribers. Apparently you should see that video. Hold on, I just made that video before this one. And ended it, shut off the camera. And I went on, when we were leaving, I thought it would be a great idea to record here. Meet you guys in the car. Apparently I don't know how to get in the car because of how much snow it has. Jeez. Oh my God. Oh jeez. My arm. Oh boy. How am I going to hold this camera now without getting it wet? The camera's not even waterproof, so I shouldn't even dare. Oh no. Meet you guys in the car. Oh my God. Need a buckle. Apparently this is a nice zone. Sorry, Dad. Try snow. Apparently the possibilities of driving. Daddy, what's your point of driving? Oh my God. Point of driving is apparently the point of driving. Liam, is that right? A point of driving?
Well, yeah.
I probably want to. Oh, jeez, you punched the camera. Never punch the camera ever again.
No.
Please. It's your camera. Oh my God.